In this video, I'll be showing you how to use wireless keyboard and mouse on iPad. Start by opening the Settings app, then select Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Next, find the Bluetooth pairing button on your device and hold it down until the light starts blinking. On a mouse, the pairing button will typically be on the bottom. However, on a keyboard, it may be on one of the F keys. Or you could have a dedicated pairing button somewhere near the keys, or even on the side or bottom of your keyboard. It will typically have a Bluetooth icon on it. Once your keyboard or mouse is in pairing mode, it should appear on your iPad. Tap on it to select it. If you don't see your device, then try turning your iPad's Bluetooth off, then back on. Once connected, you will be able to use your mouse and keyboard on your iPad. If your mouse or keyboard is already connected to another device, then you may need to disconnect from it first. In some cases, your wireless keyboard or mouse may have a wireless receiver which looks like a small USB. If this is the case, then you will need an adapter for your iPad with USB ports like the one I have here. This is a USB-C adapter, but some older iPads will need a Lightning adapter. Connect the adapter to your iPad, then connect the wireless adapter to one of the USB ports and your keyboard or mouse will work. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.